acid-base indicators, which will be handled by Ramlat Ishaq.
I am so pleased likewise opportunity to present an interesting theme, which is acid-base indicators. But before I forge ahead, let's have a little idea about acid-base indicators. Acid-base indicators are weak organic acids or bases that change color in an acidic or basic solution. They can be in form of test papers or solutions. The indicators that will be used here are red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, and guess what? Turmeric. The acids that will be used here are diluted hydrochloric acid, diluted sulfuric acid, vinegar, and lime. The bases that will be used here are diluted potassium hydroxide, diluted sodium hydroxide, bleach, and soap water. Now, using blue litmus papers, let's try to see whether these solutions are acidic or basic. If the litmus paper turns to red, then it means that these substances are acidic. Let's start with the diluted hydrochloric acid. You dip your blue litmus paper into it. As you can all see, it changes to color red, which means that this substance is acidic. You dip your blue litmus paper into it. As you can all see, it changes to color red, which means that this substance is acidic. You dip your blue litmus paper into it. And as you can see also, it changes to color red, which means that this substance is acidic. You dip your blue litmus paper into it. As you can all see, it changes to color red, which means that vinegar is an acidic substance. And for the lime, as you can all see, it changes to color red, which means that lime is an acidic substance. Now, using red litmus paper, if it changes to color blue, it means that these substances are basic. For the red litmus paper, if it changes to color blue, it means that these substances are basic. Potassium hydroxide. You dip your red litmus paper into it. As you all can see, it changes to color blue, which means that this substance is basic. For the diluted sodium hydroxide, you dip the red litmus paper into it. As you can all see, it changes to color blue also, which means that this substance is basic. For the bleach, you dip the red litmus paper into it. As you can all see, bleach is also a basic substance. And for the soapy water, you can all see it changes to color blue also, which means that soapy water is a basic substance. In reference to what Monibo and Triumph did, actually they used an indicator which you thought was magic but was not. They used phenolphthalein and methyl orange. methyl orange and phenolphthalein to see whether substances are acidic or basic. You pour in a little of your acid. You drop a little of phenolphthalein into it. As you can see, it does not change color, which means that phenolphthalein in an acid is colorless. And for base, you pour a little of the base. You drop a little of phenolphthalein into the base. Wow. As you can see, it changed to color pink, which means that phenolphthalein in a base changes to color pink. For methyl orange, let's see what color it changes to when it is dropped in an acid and in a base. You put a little of an acid into your beaker. You drop a little of methyl orange into it. As you can see, it changed to color red. But mind you, dear viewers, do not say it's color pink. Now for methyl orange in a base, you pour a little of the base into a beaker. You drop a little of it into the base. Wow. As you can all see, it changed to color yellow, which means methyl orange in a base is color yellow. And lastly, our turmeric. You add a little of water to make it into a paste. You dab a little of it on your cotton wool. And you dab it on your filter paper. After dabbing your turmeric on the filter paper, you allow it to dry so as to see the result when acid and this into your acid. And you dab a little on the turmeric. As you can see, it does not change color. And for the base, you dab it on another. You can see all that it changed to red. This means turmeric can be used domestically at home to test whether substances are acidic or basic. Hope you enjoyed this little practical. Thanks for watching. Till next time.